Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save Gmail attachments to USB flash drive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that your flash drive is connected, okay? Just like this one right here. I have my flash drive. So you can go ahead and click on it just to make sure that it is currently opened. Now minimize this window. Now go ahead and find the attachment that you wanted to download. So just for example, this email right here. Got one attachment, so go ahead and download the attachment. Okay, click on the download button and there will be a pop-up. Now, here you go ahead and save it wherever you want, or scroll down, find your specific flash drive and save it right here. Okay, save. And now, when you go ahead and check your flash drive, scroll down, here we have the attachment. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to save Gmail attachments to USB flash drive. Another quick tip, find the attachment. Okay, open your flash drive. Click on the attachment to view it. Now, just drag and drop. Okay, drag, click and hold, drop it to your flash drive. There you go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.